Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, everybody. We got something pretty interesting over here. Let's check it out. We got SatoshiSwap, Decentralized Margin Trading Protocol. Easily trade your favorite BSC tokens with up to 10 times leverage and earn multiple DeFi revenue streams. Trade, lend, borrow, earn, and more in a growing suite of DeFi products. This is something pretty epic right here. We got the official cryptocurrency of SatoshiStreetSwaps. SatoshiStreetSwaps has over 75,000 Twitter followers. This could be updated. He has over 75,000. Tap in with me, man. This is pretty epic. Having that type of following on Reddit, the Telegram being booming, and the Discord being that strong, that is something that's going to be huge for this project, because nonstop engagement is very important. I also need the community to come here and load up the comments. If you're part of the Satoshi Swap and you guys hold these tokens or believe in this project, load up the comments down below. Let everybody know what makes you feel bullish about this project, okay? We got a masterpiece in DeFi, rewards, and passive incomes, okay? We got the Satoshi Swap ecosystem is designed from the ground up to reward participants, earn interest, securely deposit in our audited vaults, and passively earn interest, yield farming, staking, trading fees, liquidation fees, diamond hands, community participations, vault fees, and leverage burns, okay? The SatoshiSwap DEX. On the SatoshiSwap DEX, you can make margin trades as easily and quickly as a regular swap on PancakeSwap or UniSwap. It runs on the Binance Smart Chain. Margin trading, easily leverage trades, open, long, or short positions with up to 10 times leverage. Swapping, we make leverage trading as simple as doing PancakeSwap trades. Lending, deposit into our decentralized vault and lend out your tokens to earn interest. Liquidity providing, provide liquidity and earn rewards. So the community can even add liquidity and you can earn rewards for believing in the project you already trust, okay? Community rewards. This is something different. I really like this. The bootstrap adoption of SatoshiSwap and reward community members for their contributions to the SSB ecosystem. SatoshiSwap will be continuously distributed to members of the SatoshiStreetBets subreddit and SatoshiStreetBets.com platform. It's under development, but what I like about this, people are already on Reddit. People are already on the internet. They're already surfing the web. So if they hit up these places where he has a large following already, that's going to be just easy passive income for people to join in on the Satoshi Swap and be able to make some money on the side. You're already on Reddit. You're already doing some surfing. So why not get tapped in? On the SatoshiSwap DEX, you can make margin trades as easily as a regular swap on PancakeSwap or UniSwap. It runs on the Binance Smart Chain and is built using trusted, well-known DeFi primitives such as an automated market maker and classic lending protocols, okay? So we got that. We got number 2, when the margin trade chooses to close their position, the smart contract automatically calculates a profit or loss and then allows them to withdraw the appropriate amount of profit from the vault. Number 3, there's a decentralized liquidation system in place to handle margin positions which become too unprofitable, and decentralized insurance fund to protect vault deposits against sudden extreme market movements, okay? Most likely the dumps, okay? Those are the ones we're most likely going to be worried about. We have HODL bar. Welcome to the coolest bar in crypto. Kick back, relax, and hodl your Satoshi Swap tokens. In return for parking your precious Satoshi Swap tokens in the HODL bar, you will receive an allocation of Diamond Hand, a temporary token which proves your hodling and deserves a portion of the rewards and fees flowing through the ecosystem. That's another way of gaining passive income. So that's pretty epic right there. If you kick back at that staking type of bar or whatnot like that, we're going to get deep into that. We got a masterpiece. Okay, we check this out. We got let's see what we got right here. Audited smart contract. Satoshi Swap protocol has been successfully reviewed by PeckShield, and the report can be read here. You guys can go check that out. We got battle tested DeFi components, insurance fund, experienced developers. So you guys can come check this out, do some of your due diligence. We have the roadmap right here that's moving along. I like that we got the dots to let us know where we're at. We're at the second DeFi project and further development, okay? More details about this will be revealed in the weeks ahead. Reward from this project flow back to SatoshiSwap holders. There will be further development and further features added to SatoshiSwap and Derpy Toshi. Okay, I seen that on the Twitter page. We're also going to be checking this project out because it's all tied together. It's going to be part of all of the ecosystem. We need to read in between the lines. This is the tokenomics, or the distribution right here, the SatoshiSwap distribution, total supply, circulating supply, and what the team was allocated, and the seed investors, the pre-sale ecosystem, advisors, treasury, airdrops, the YOLO fund. I want to know more about that. Marketing, development team, legal, and insurance fund. Okay, so that's that like anti-bot, most likely that's for that dumping. I liked it that. No KYC, jump straight in. So you can be able to leverage trade with no KYC. That's epic right there. No custodial, decentralized governance, decentralized price, Oracle system, 100% on-chain, tokenized, composable position. And I want you guys to get tapped in on all the official links down below. And also, we're going to go to his Twitter just to show you guys what's up. You guys should do this as well, just to, do your own due diligence. This is how you do this. We're going to make sure we follow, hit that bell notification, and make sure you guys come over here and like, because here goes that Derpy Toshi. So something's going on with that. If you're part of this whole ecosystem, we're going to want to come over here, like and retweet, and start to spread the word, because this is going to be part of the whole ecosystem with SatoshiSwap tokens. So if you guys want to know more about this and are interested, this is something that you guys should be doing right now. Load the comments down below. Let the team know what's up. Let's get this shield thing going. Let the army know what's up, and let's get the word out there. We got something right here. Continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.